Hey everyone, want to reduce the size of your files using WinRAR? WinRAR can compress files and folders into an archive, which may reduce the amount of storage space they use and make them easier to transfer. In this full guide, I'll show you how to reduce file size with WinRAR in 2026, step by step. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer and locate the files or folders you want to compress. You can select individual files, multiple files, or an entire folder. Right-click the selected files and choose Add to Archive from the WinRAR menu. This opens the compression settings where we can adjust the options to get a smaller archive. Under Archive Format, choose RAR. RAR can provide strong compression and gives you access to several useful archive settings. Now find the compression method setting and select Best. This tells WinRAR to spend more time trying to reduce the archive size as much as possible. Keep in mind that the best setting doesn't always produce a dramatically smaller file. The amount of compression depends heavily on the type of files you're archiving. Text and some uncompressed data can compress well, while already compressed files may barely get smaller. Once you've selected your settings, click OK. WinRAR will start compressing the files. The process may take longer when using the best compression method, especially with large amounts of data. When compression finishes, compare the original size with the new archive size. Right-click both items and check their properties to see how much space you've saved. For certain types of large files, increasing the dictionary size can sometimes improve compression. Larger dictionary sizes may require more RAM, so choose an appropriate setting for your computer. Another easy way to reduce the final archive size is to remove files you don't actually need before compressing. Temporary files, duplicate files, caches, and other unnecessary data can increase the archive size without adding useful content. Remember that WinRAR can't always make files smaller. Formats like JPEG images, MP4 videos, MP3 audio, and many software installers are already compressed, so putting them into a RAR archive may produce little or no size reduction. For the best results, use the best compression method when size matters more than speed. Keep unnecessary files out of the archive. Consider splitting very large archives for easier transfer. And remember that compression and encryption are different features. Adding a password protects your data, but doesn't necessarily make the archive smaller. And that's how to reduce file size with WinRAR in 2026. The amount of space you save depends on the type of files you're compressing, but using the right compression settings can help you get the best possible result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.